The world of robotics has come a long way, and nowhere is this more evident than in industrial cleaning. Recently, companies like Pudu Robotics have taken the lead in deploying advanced cleaning robots that not only clean but also intelligently categorize waste using IoT, or the Internet of Things. Today, we're going to explore how these robots are revolutionizing the way we think about cleanliness and waste management. Meet the Pudu MT1, an industrial-grade cleaning robot. It's not just about vacuuming or sweeping. This robot is equipped with AI-powered trash recognition technology. Using sensors and cameras, it can distinguish between different types of debris, such as paper, plastic, and even metal. What's more, it uses IoT integration to send real-time updates on its tasks, allowing facility managers to monitor its performance remotely. This intelligent system helps the robot prioritize what needs cleaning the most, avoiding unnecessary repetitions. It adapts dynamically to changes in its environment, ensuring that it can handle both small items like dust and larger objects with precision. IoT is a key element that sets these robots apart from conventional cleaning machines. By connecting to an IoT network, the robot communicates with other devices, such as building management systems or even other cleaning robots. This enables seamless coordination, which is crucial in large spaces like warehouses or airports, where cleaning needs to be done efficiently without interfering with daily operations. With remote monitoring capabilities, operators can get live updates on things like battery life, trash bin capacity, and cleaning route progress. This ensures that maintenance and recharging can be scheduled without interrupting the robot's tasks, making the entire process more streamlined. The PUDU MT1, for example, covers an impressive area of over 100,000 square meters on a single charge operating for up to 6 hours. Its wide cleaning path and large bin capacity make it ideal for spaces like airports, manufacturing plants, or even large retail stores. Additionally, its smart cleaning algorithm reduces energy consumption, meaning it only cleans where it's necessary, thanks to its AI and IoT integration. And it's not just about covering more ground. By categorizing waste in real time, this robot can ensure that recyclable materials are sorted correctly, contributing to a greener waste management process. These robots are already in action in facilities worldwide. Companies are leveraging this technology to keep environments clean and safe while minimizing manual labor. By integrating cloud-based platforms and machine learning algorithms, robots like the Pudu MT1 can analyze the waste they collect, providing insights into the types of trash commonly found in different environments. This data can be invaluable for future waste management strategies. Moreover, such robots play a vital role in reducing labor costs. Instead of deploying multiple staff for cleaning duties, a fleet of robots can handle routine tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more critical jobs that require problem-solving and creative thinking. As we look toward the future, it's clear that the role of IoT and AI in industrial robotics will only grow. Robots like the Pudu MT1 aren't just cleaning up. They're also gathering data, optimizing processes, and reshaping how industries approach large-scale facility management. From cutting costs to improving efficiency, these industrial cleaning robots represent the next frontier in smart facility management. So, next time you see a robot in a warehouse or a mall, remember, it's not just sweeping the floor. It's part of a larger ecosystem, using IoT and AI to transform waste management as we know it. Thank you for watching. If you found this insight into industrial cleaning robots fascinating, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated on the latest tech innovation.